What if the real scale of war is far bigger than what you're being told? 370 missiles, 830 drones, and counting. In the heart of the Middle East, Iran has unleashed a wave of firepower that is rewriting modern warfare, but beyond headlines and official statements, the true scale of this conflict remains hidden. 370 missiles launched across vast distances. 830 drones deployed in coordinated waves. These are not random attacks. This is strategy. Each missile tests defenses. Each drone overwhelms systems. This is not just war, it's calculation. Drones have changed everything. Cheap, replaceable, deadly. Instead of risking pilots, hundreds of unmanned systems flood the skies, forcing even the most advanced defenses to struggle. One missile can cost millions, but a drone, just thousands. And that imbalance is the new battlefield. Air defense systems are designed for precision threats. But what happens when hundreds arrive at once? Missiles intercept some, others slip through. And with every wave, defenses grow weaker. The numbers we hear may only tell part of the story. Behind every launch, there is impact. Behind every statistic, there is silence. And in modern war, information is as controlled as the battlefield. This isn't just a conflict. It's a demonstration of a new kind of warfare where volume beats precision and persistence beats power. A war where the real numbers may never be revealed. This isn't just a conflict. It's a demonstration of a new kind of warfare where volume beats precision and persistence beats power. A war where the real numbers may never be revealed. 370 missiles, 830 drones. But the real question is how much more? Hasn't been counted?